All right, it's all strapped down. Just a little fender bender. What is up, guys? So we're on our way to pick up our very first project. We're looking for a car that was worth the drive, and I think we found just the one. It won't just be the first car, but it will be the car that we're gonna keep for the channel, and it's gonna be the anchor for the show. So we're very excited to show you guys. So let's go ahead and pick her up, and let's get to it. We got it. We just got to pull up back around, and they're gonna load us up.
What was that pop?
All right, it's all strapped down. Just a little fender bender. I know, no, not yet. I'll do it. Damn, what a beauty. Plus hours of driving, something had to happen in the last hour. As you guys probably already saw, one of our rear wheels popped going to highway speeds, and luckily we were all safe, and fortunately for us, we had the tools to fix it pretty quickly, so I'm just glad we're safe. What is up, guys? So we're finally back with the Skyline again, and we finally got it unloaded from the previous night we got it here. It was a hassle to get this car. It's so low, and it sits so low to the floor that we kind of struggled to get it down, but we finally got her down. Today we're going to focus on taking off all the adhesive, all the tape, so it doesn't get too stuck on the paint. And then we're going to vacuum out all the glass so we don't get cut. And then we'll just go from there. So let's get to it.
Mirror's good though.
Oh, snakes. Bro.
It really is.
How crazy is that? Look at this mirror.
crazy.
Alright guys, so we got most of it, but we didn't want to keep on filming us taking off this part of the tape. We'll do this off scenes since it's taking so long. But now we're just gonna get to vacuuming and we'll go from there. Eventually I want to change these seats, man. What do you think? Some Recaros, some Sparcos.
But aren't these OG?
They're OG. Maybe we can get them rebuilt. What do you think?
I feel like if we could get them rebuilt, it'll be worth a lot more.
See, you think we should keep the interior
Keep
original?
the interior original.
Yeah,
The exterior's already modified, but
that's true. You got a point. You got a point. Let's go to the back. Hey, what's up with all this gas, dude? Like reverse pop. You know those things where you pop them? Look at it, looks like that. You can pop it. I don't know. Ooh, to the key. Ooh, look at that. That was the amplifier. Alright guys, so that's all the time we have for today. Make sure you stay tuned for our next video where we'll start disassembling the front end and making a list of what we need. So stay tuned and peace! How was your night? Alright, so I just took my younger brother to his first Buc-ee's. Alright, well, 13 more hours and we'll probably be back. 14 more hours, we'll be back in Texas. Can't wait to start on this build. Alright guys, so this is the first pit stop. We're 5 hours in. We still got about 16 hours left. So we get there. I think we can make it today without having to sleep, so we'll see. We'll see you there.